Get your free book now, The Art of Losing Weight. Delicious recipes for a lean, healthy you. Discover the ultimate guide to healthy eating with this latest giveaway, The Art of Losing Weight, available for a limited time for free. This groundbreaking book reveals the secrets to maintaining a lean physique, while indulging in delicious, mouth-watering meals. Say goodbye to restrictive diets, and hello to flavorful, satisfying dishes that keep your health and taste buds in perfect harmony. Claim your free copy of The Art of Losing Weight and discover: what if you could eat delicious, mouth-watering food and still stay lean and healthy? Can you really enjoy your favorite meals and still maintain a lean physique? What if there was a way to eat flavorful, satisfying meals and still stay in shape? The secrets to staying lean with easy-to-make recipes that will keep your taste buds happy and your waistline slim. Explore a world of keto-friendly appetizers, salads, main courses, and desserts. Each recipe is crafted to be guilt-free, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your diet and maintain a healthy, lean physique without giving up the joy of eating. Click the link below this video and claim your free copy of The Art of Losing Weight today.